How to create a formula field in Salesforce. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So first, log into your Salesforce account and go to the Object Manager. So just click on the gear icon from the top right corner and click on Setup. Then simply click on the Object Manager option and select the object where you want to add the formula field in. So let's say, for example, I'm just going to use the opportunity object. Once you click on that, you simply just want to find fields and relationships, click on it, and then simply click on New. Now in here, you're just going to pretty much create a field and you want to select the type. If you want to create a formula field, you simply click on Formula over here and scroll down to the bottom and click on Next. Go ahead and give it a field label. Next up, you want to also select the output type. So what does it actually give you in return? So whether it's going to be checkbox, this is going to be for true or false answers. If it's currency, it's just basically going to calculate specific amounts of money, whether you want it to be like in the example here, minus discount or whatever it may be. You also have date and time, number, percent, text, and also time. So just go for whichever one that you actually need. And I'm just going to go for date and click on next. In here, you simply just want to go ahead and build your logic. You can use AI for that, like ChatGPT or Gemini. Just go in and type in you want a specific formula that does this and that for Salesforce. And it's pretty much just going to generate it here for you. But once you actually add the formula, let's say this one, for example, you want to use the formula assistant. Just go ahead and click on that. And you basically just want to check whether it's valid or not. In this case, it's not. So you're going to get an option to fix formula. Just simply click on that and it's just going to generate a new one like this one. And you can just click on update formula and it's just going to update it for you. But if it is correct, you again just want to use formula assistant and it can actually explain it for you. And if it sounds exactly like the one that you need, then you are pretty much set. Anyways, just go and click on next. And here, just make sure you select the profiles that this is going to be visible to and click on next. Much like the profiles, you also want to include the different layouts and finally click on save. And now you have created your formula field for your object in Salesforce. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.